Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dreamy cinematic color grading for your footages in CapCut Mobile. So first, you just need to go to filter and then find the freedom filter. You can find it under the movies category. This one's right here and adjust it to 100. Now go to let's click on the check icon first and apply it to all of the clips, and now go to the video effects, and here click on the lens category and then add the soft effect. Okay, let's find the soft effect. Adjust the intensity to 100. Now click on the check icon and let's add another effect here. Still on the lens category, add the edge glow effect. Let's find the edge glow, this one, and adjust the intensity to only 15. Now click on the check icon, adjust it for the whole video. Go back and click on the video effects again. Find the retro category. What is it? Add this nostalgic light effect, and here set the intensity to 10, the filter to 30, and then the range to 45. Click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length, and this will be the final result. So this is how you can create a dreamy cinematic color grading. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye!